just took out these sheets out of the dryer, nice and warm, and I put them on top of her and she just lie down. She didn't even bother moving away. You love warm sheets, huh, Mama? And she doesn't move, like they're so hot. Why do you like warm sheets, Mamas? Huh? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fabulous today. So in today's video, we're doing declutter and packing my room, which is only basically my dresser, which I have a mess right now, and my computer stuff and my closet. And then I have another mini closet on this side over here. I don't know if you guys remember. So I want to go through that closet as well and just pack it up because I'm not using anything from that closet. So that closet should be packed and pretty easy to go as well. Everything I say is pretty easy. But yeah, so I hope you guys are doing great and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I can't believe it's coming closer to moving day, you guys. We have this full week and then we have the next week, and that is it. My Alex drawers that I got for Christmas, I never actually got to put stuff in it. I have a few things, but I didn't fill it up like all the drawers. I actually feel that I'm gonna need another one. Yeah, I think I only filled like 2 drawers, to be honest. Let me show you. Yeah, just like the first drawer. This was just like a test to see how I wanted it, but I thought it was so cute. But yeah, this is like my first drawer, what I have in here, and then what I have in here is something that I do want to make a video on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then pack my equipment. I'm thinking of putting like tape around all of my poles, you know, just put or tape around them, and that way there could be just one hold of all of them together. I have my makeup in here that is so everywhere. I don't even want to go through that. I'm like dreading for it. And then that is like my personal stuff, you know, undies and stuff like that. And then right here I have my socks, and then I have here more makeup that I need to go through. That last drawer is like my miscellaneous stuff that I really need to go through. And just right here, as you guys saw in previous videos, I have my jewelry and stuff, and my wig. No, I'm just kidding. My hair extensions that I love, 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 love. They're by Luxie hair extensions. They're pricey, but they're really worth it. It was like on my bucket list. And then my desk, I need to go through some things that I have here. I have like my stickers and my notebooks and stuff. And it's not a lot, but I still want to go through it and see what's garbage and what's not. Alright, and then I have this closet. It's like a coat closet, I guess. And we have like Christmas stuff in there. That is a tent that actually we tried to use. The day that we decided to use that tent, it was so freaking windy that we couldn't. It was funny, I should have recorded it, but at the time, the good thing I didn't, because my camera would have had sand all over it. But yeah, it was so windy. I don't even know how long we lasted there and why we lasted there, but even tried to put sand, you know, on the little bags that it has attached and stuff, and it still didn't stay. And then the little hooks that it came with to stick on to the sand, they were plastic. It didn't stay, you know what I mean? So yeah, we didn't get to use our tent, and it was a pretty tent. I'll go ahead and put a picture up here. And it was pretty big. I was pretty excited about it, but that was a fail, definitely. And then I have my bathroom to do, which I think I'm gonna do that in a different video, because this already is taking so long. Alright, so let's get started on this cleaning up, decluttering, and packing. So I actually have a few boxes that I've saved from like Ulta, Amazon, and Target. I think I'm going to use these for like my makeup and stuff. I think I'm going to use this big one and actually put it next to me, because I'm going to start doing this drawer because it's driving me crazy. microphone for this camera right here, which is this guy right here, but I need a little memory card for it, otherwise it won't record. But this one is apparently it's pretty good, so I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna have like a whole shebang on here with this camera and the microphone, so you won't hear all these crazy noises, especially when I'm filming like outside. You don't hear like the wind and stuff. So yeah, I can't wait to use this as well, even though I'm gonna look crazy vlogging out there with this microphone. But hey, gotta do it for the vlog. Hey guys, we're back again to the next day. Actually, last night I kind of started pretty late, and so today I'm continuing with my little makeup drawer and watching my novela right here. It's almost over. So yeah, I'm pretty much packing like all my glass foundations because I don't want them to break, and I'm just wrapping them up in bubble wrap. And then I'm gonna continue to the next drawer. It's like palettes, and like I said, I like to keep them in their package for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, so yeah, just wanted to say hello, and that it's literally the next day. That's why you guys see me in a different change of clothes. So yeah. You know what? I don't trust the box for this stuff. I don't think it's going to hold really good, this makeup and storage and stuff. So I think I'm gonna have to put that in the suitcase because I don't trust it. I feel like it's gonna be heavy, and I still want to fill it up. Here we go again. Pretty much this box is done. I don't want to overfill it. It's pretty much filled. I try to put more foundation here. Maybe one here will fit. This is just an oil. I don't know if it'll fit in there, but I don't want them to break. this drawer, it is done and empty. Guys, welcome to another day. I'm actually finishing up moving some stuff off of my... Oh, the power's back on. Yay! I was just about to tell you guys that my power, well, the power here in the complex went out, and it finally came back up. It's been up probably for about 30 minutes or so. And I was watching my White Chicks movie on my computer as I was getting ready, and I did some editing this morning, and the power went out, and the fuse, I heard it go off and on like 3 times. It's just annoying, and I'm so glad it's up again because it's hot outside, girl. Yes. I'm gonna finish up my dresser, you guys. I have 2 more drawers to go through, and those are the ones I've been debating on because they're so full. Yeah, we're gonna do that right now. Can we just have a look-see at this little munchkin right here? Hi, Mama. Hi, Princess. I love you. What's she doing, Mama? Little sleepy head.
It's gonna be the last spot, unless we have your birthday thing here too.
Oh, that's right.
Last time, everybody always sits here.
Yeah, there's like the birthday chair right there, like the birthday wall.
What? I was laughing. Oh my god! Okay, go over.
Start back over.
You want to deal with birthday to you? Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Hey, bravo! She's clapping. Que le sople.
Wait, make a wish.
I did.
Ah, the trick candles.
Hey, bravo! You know what?
What?
Miren lo que le muerda.
Ah, too late.
No.
Yeah, too late.
No, bye. Que le muerda.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
We love you, Daddy. Happy birthday. I just kind of started. I started off with the shoes, and so I'm just packing up like the stuff that I'm not using right now, which is like long dresses. Well, actually long sleeve dresses. So yeah, I'm just gonna be packing everything in the bags that I am not gonna be using, and then same thing for my husband. Kind of talking low because my babies are sleeping.